In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger support with our 2025 guide. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or have a question about your account, getting in touch with Hostinger's support team has never been easier. So let's dive right in and help you find the assistance you need. First, you want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage, which is accessible through their main portal at hpanel.hostinger.com. This is your central hub for all things related to Hostinger services, and it's where you'll start your journey to getting the help you need. It's important to have your login credentials ready, as you'll be accessing your account from here. Once you're logged in, you'll notice numerous features and options, but for support, we're focusing on a specific area. Next, you'll want to click on Ask Cody. Cody is an automated assistant designed to help streamline your support experience. This smart tool is there to guide you through the process of getting help efficiently. Finding Cody is straightforward. It's usually prominently displayed on your homepage once you're logged in, making it easy for you to initiate the support process with just a click. Once you're in conversation with Cody, the next step is to type in Customer Support. By doing this, you're directing Cody to understand that you need assistance beyond what the automated system might typically provide. It's the first step in escalating your issue to ensure that it's handled with the attention it requires. Be clear and concise in your communication to get the most accurate assistance tailored to your needs. Following that, you should type in, I need a live chat agent. This command is crucial because it indicates that you are requesting a human agent's expertise for your support query. Live chat is the channel where you will receive real-time interaction with a support specialist who can address more complex problems and offer detailed help. This service ensures that there's a seamless and direct line of communication between you and Hostinger, making it easier to solve any issues that you're facing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to contact Hostinger's customer support. Remember, having clear communication and being specific about your issues always helps in receiving prompt and effective support. Hostinger is committed to providing top-notch service, and utilizing these steps will ensure your questions and concerns are handled with care and expertise. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you in managing your Hostinger experience efficiently. Until next time, happy hosting!